Sucralose might be even worse than we thought. Sucralose is an artificial sweetener sold under the trade name Splenda, and it is deemed safe by the FDA, but some recent research has really called that into question. The safety claims were based on a handful of facts, which include that sucralose does not impact the GI microbiome, it is not metabolized in the body, and it doesn't bioaccumulate. At this point, it's pretty well established that it does actually impact the GI microbiome and not in a good way. But this newer research is showing even more potential detrimental effects. It appears that the body does actually metabolize sucralose, and it's metabolized into something called sucralose 6-acetate. A very small amount of sucralose 6-acetate can be found in the commercial product that's available, and this research is demonstrating that when it is consumed, up to 10% of sucralose 6-acetate can be found in the fecal matter. And that's pretty clear evidence that this chemical reaction is happening inside the body. On top of that, sucralose 6-acetate was found in fecal matter, in urine, and in fat tissue of rodents. This is evidence that it is absorbed systemically and it is bioaccumulating. This study went even further by taking a small amount of sucralose 6-acetate and combining it with blood. And it was found that the DNA in that blood was breaking in response to that sucralose 6-acetate. And another in vitro analysis demonstrated that sucralose 6-acetate damages enterocytes, or the epithelium of the GI lining. And while this current study isn't definitive proof, it is clearly contradicting the facts that those safety claims were based on. And in my opinion, it's a pretty good idea to just stay away from sucralose.